Hello everyone, it's Marissa here. I wanted to welcome you to my channel again. It's been a while since I came on live. Normally I'm videotaping uh, my paintings, but not actually being right there. So I just wanted to say hi. Thank you for always watching my videos and thank you for always showing up. So I just wanted to show you this landscape that I am painting right now. It is a online workshop and it's all about the hidden alleyways in Italy. It is inspired by when we went to Italy this fall, and this particular scene was based on Orvieto, which is a nice hilltop village in Italy in the Umbria region, and just fell in love with the vibe, fell in love with the architecture, and I wanted to paint it. And so I said, oh, maybe I could use that as inspiration for my online workshop. So I've been doing this now. This is day 2. There's 3 days in my workshop, and it's stages, so modules. So day 1, we did the perspective. So we drew all the shapes of the building that is headed towards a 1-point perspective. So my students and I guided them through finding that vanishing point on the horizon line, because when you get that vanishing point, it creates an illusion of depth, and it also gives you a point of reference to focus on when you were in that alleyway. So I enjoyed that with my students. That was day 1, and it was basically the logical mind, right? Instead of creating and just being free and loose how I usually paint, this time we had to stop and use the logical mind to draw in the proper proportions to the buildings. And today, day 2, we started to block in. So I told my students, after you get your perspective drawn in, after you get a nice rooftop and you get the alleyways and you have all the windows and doorways lined up, painting it will be so much fun. So I'm just very thankful that they persevered and they were open to the challenge. And so today we worked on, getting the paint in and doing the first block in. So today what we did is I gave them a color mixture that we can work on, and I showed them techniques with brush strokes and creating texture with just regular gel and brush strokes, and using a slow drying medium to cover the image so that the painting doesn't dry so quickly. This is all in acrylic, by the way. My class is in acrylic. And yeah, so this is day 2. This is how we ended for day 2. And next week would be the next class, and final class to the module. So maybe maybe next week I'll come live again and I'll show you the painting after we finish it. Anyway, I just wanted to say hello and thank you again for always tuning in to my videos. I promise I will be posting more videos as the days go by. It's actually close to Christmas, So I'm kind of thinking of painting some of my favorite Christmas decorations. So watch out for that. A video is coming soon. Sweet out. Bye for now.